Most people study more hours and remember less. You are not slow, your method is working against your brain's actual wiring. Here is what changes everything. The brain does not store information the way a hard drive does. It stores it the way muscle builds, through stress, recovery, and repetition at the right interval. Every time you try to recall something and almost fail, the memory gets stronger. Psychologists call this the desirable difficulty effect. The harder the retrieval, the deeper the trace. You are not supposed to make studying easy. You are supposed to make it hard in exactly the right way. Here is how to do it, point by point. 1. Stop rereading. Start retrieving. You finish a page and read it again. It feels productive, you recognize every word. But recognition is not memory. Psychologists call this the fluency illusion, the feeling of knowing something because it looks familiar, not because you can actually recall it. Real memory is built by closing the book and writing down everything you just read, without looking. Your brain scrambles. That scramble is the work. Each failed attempt to retrieve a fact rewires the neural pathway that stores it. 1 retrieval attempt beats 3 rereads, always. 2. The 20-minute hard stop. Your brain has a consolidation window, a short period after learning when new information is most vulnerable to being overwritten. Psychologists call this memory interference, new input pushing out the previous input before it has time to set. Most people study for 2 hours straight, rewriting the same facts over earlier ones. The fix is simple: study hard for 20 minutes, then stop completely for 10. No phone. No input. Let the brain seal what it just learned. That gap is not wasted time. It is the actual learning. 3. Space it like it is going to hurt. The final mechanism is the one most people resist. Psychologists call it the spacing effect, the proven finding that memories reviewed at increasing intervals become near permanent, while memories reviewed back-to-back decay within 48 hours. Review a fact today. Then in 2 days, then in 5, then in 12. Each time you return to it right before forgetting, the memory doubles in strength. This is not a study hack. It is how long-term memory is biologically structured. To stop studying more and retaining less, do one thing today. After your next study session, close everything and spend 5 minutes writing down what you remember, without looking. The students who seem to learn faster are not smarter. They are just using their brain the way it was designed to work. This channel decodes the science behind how the mind actually operates. If you want to understand yourself at that level, you already belong here.